In this video, I'm going to talk you through how to create a ladder platform in your game that your player can climb up and jump off, whatever you want to do with it in your game. First thing that I'm going to do is add a new object. So I'm going to click on the Scene Objects plus button here. It's a sprite, as it always is, that I will create. I'm going to give my object name a name of ladder, and then I'm going to click on Create with Piscal. For me, I'm just going to use a solid color as my ladder, but you can use whatever image you want for it. You can draw whatever image you want. There we go. I'm going to click Save. Now I'm going to go onto behaviors. I'm going to add a behavior. I'm going to add the platform behavior that we should all be familiar with already. And rather than having a normal platform selected, I'm going to click on this drop down and I am going to change it to a ladder style of platform. I can click apply, and now I should see in my scene objects that I have got my ladder. I can drag that over into my game's world, or my game scene rather. I'm going to drag it up because the player is going to be able to climb up it. And now if I preview my game, I should be able to walk up to this ladder, press the up key on my keyboard, and I will see that my player starts to climb up the ladder. I have got one minor bug here, which is that my player is appearing behind the ladder. Maybe you want that in your game. For me, I would much rather my player appear on top of the ladder. So I'll just show you how to change that quickly before I end this video. So to do that, all I'm going to do is click on my player here. I'm then going to right click on it. I'm going to go down to this option here, which is bring to front, and it rearranges the order of objects in my scene to bring the player to the front of the order. And now if I play it, I should see that when I go to the ladder, my player appears in front of it and I can climb up the ladder.